Good day everyone. Today we will present to you the proper execution of an exercises. First thing you need to do is you need to find a wall. Choose a flat wall with enough space for you to lean against comfortably. The second is stand in position. Stand with your back flat against the wall, feet shoulder width apart, about 2 feet 60 cm away from the wall. The third is slide down. Slowly slide your back down the wall while bending your knees. Aim to get your things parallel to the ground. The fourth is check your form. Knees should be directly above your ankle, not past your toes. Back, shoulders, and head should stay flat against the wall. Hips should be at the 90 degrees angle like sitting in an invisible chair. 5. Hold the position. Hold for as long as you can. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and build up over time. 6 is breathe. Stay relaxed and breathe even throughout the hold. What are the muscle work in a wall set? 1 is quadriceps, 2 is hamstrings, 3 is glutes, 4 is calves, 5 core. What are the benefits of wall set? The first is strengthen lower body muscles. Second is improves muscle endurance. Third is enhance core stability. And fourth, no equipment needed. 5, joint friendly. 6, improve mental toughness. 7, great warm up or finisher. How to do a forward lunges. 1. Start position. Stand tall with feet hip width apart, arms by your side on hands on hips. Second, step forward. Take a big step forward with your right foot. 3. Lower your body. Bend both knees to about 90 degrees. Front thigh should be parallel to the ground. Back knee should hover above the floor. Keep your torso upright and core engaged. 4 is push back. Drive to the front heel to return the starting position. 5. Alternate legs. Repeat the motion with your left leg. Do equal reps on the both sides. What are the muscle works in a forward lunges? 1 is quadriceps, 2nd glutes, 3rd is hamstring, and 4 calves, 5 is core muscles. What are the benefits of forward lunges? First is strengthens multiple muscles. 2nd is improved muscle and stability. 3rd, enhance functional movement. 4th is increase hips flexibility. 5 helps and symmetry. 6 boosts coordination. How to do jump squat. Start position. Stand with feet shoulders width apart, arms at your sides. Lower into squats. Push your hip back and bend your knees. Keep your chest up and core tight. Tight should be roughly parallel to the ground. 3. Explode upward. Push through your heels and jump as high as you can. Swing your arms to help generate. Land softly. Land with your knees tightly bent. Absorb the impact. Immediately go and next squat for continuous reps. What are the muscles works in jump squat? First is quadriceps. 2nd glutes. 3rd hamstrings. 4th calves. 5 core. What are the benefits of jump squat? Enhance explosive power, improve cardiovascular health, increase lower body strength, and better balance and coordination. How do a single leg squat, pistol squat? Start position. Stand tall on one leg. Extend opposite leg straight out in front of you. Keep your arms out for balance. 2.
Engage core. Tighten your core and focus your eyes on a fixed point in front of you. 3. Lower down slowly. Push your hips back and bend the knee of the standing leg. Keep the other leg straight and off the ground. Lower your body as far as you can, ideally until your thigh is parallel or lower. 4. Hold briefly. Pause briefly at the bottom. Don't let the raised leg touch the ground. Push back up, press through you and turn to standing while keep control.
The benefits of single leg squats: improve balance and stability, corrects muscle imbalances, strengthens core muscles, targets glute squats and hamstrings, reduce joint risk with proper form, enhances athletic performance, convenient and equipment free.
Bulgarian split squat, step by step. First, sit up. Stand a couple feet in front of a bench or sturdy surface. Extend one leg back and raise the top of your foot on the bench. 2. Starting position. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and core engaged. The front foot should be far enough forward so the knee doesn't pass the toes when you lower down. 3. Lower down. Bend the front knee and lower your body toward the floor. Your back knee should hover just above the ground and your front thigh should be parallel to the floor. 4. Push back up. Drive through your front heel to return the standing. 5. Repeat. Complete reps on one leg, then switch to the another.
What are the muscles works in the split squats? First, quadriceps. Second, glutes. Third, hamstring. Fourth, calves. Fifth, core. The benefits of split squats: enhance lower body strength, improve balance and stability, correction of muscle imbalances, increase flexibility and mobility, reduce spinal load, enhance athletic performance.
How do I reverse lunge? First, start position. Stand tall with feet hip width apart, arms at your sides or on your hips. 2. Step back. Take a step backward with your right leg. 3. Lower your body. Bend both knees to about 90 degrees. Front knee stays over the ankle, not past the toes. Back knee lowers toward the ground without touching. Keep your chest up and core tight. 4. Push back to start. Drive through the front heel to return to standing. 5. Alternate legs. Repeat on the other side, alternating or doing sets per leg.
Benefits of reverse lunges: strengthens major lower body muscles, enhances balance and core stability, reduces knee joint stress, improves functional movement and coordinations, address muscles imbalances, versatile and scalable exercises. The muscles of work in reverse lunges: first, quadriceps. Second, glutes. Third, hamstring. Fourth, calves, and the last, core.